Yeah. Okay, IKEA Bali. Who knew it? It's time for the next adventure. Pack your cyber bags and let's go! Like, share, and subscribe for more travel, food, and fun. IKEA is very popular in Canada. I'm wondering, like, usually they're like really, really big. If it's like a smaller version or just like a little tiny shop or something, an online shop, who knows? I guess we'll find out together in a second. IKEA, where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Oh, IKEA. Sweet. Yay, we found it. Amazing. Ooh. Hey, IKEA Bali. Who knew it? Oh, I'm kind of excited. Well, the interesting thing now should be if I actually leave with nothing, because I don't need anything. I don't want to buy anything. I just want to see what they have. But I already see that I kind of want one of those loofahs, even though I just bought one. These are way cuter. Oh yeah, this should be interesting. Wish me luck. Sudden do I feel like I need like literally everything. There's 3 of them. Okay, I definitely don't need 3, so that's good. Okay. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to check the restaurant after. Oh my gosh, they have Indonesian food here at IKEA. That's interesting. Nice throw blankets. Does IKEA sell clothing? No, it's just for display. Already I'm like, I could use this. I don't need it right now. Not to accumulate too much more stuff. I already got myself a cat, so. Seems incredibly overpriced. 29K. That's like $7 Canadian. I feel like that's a lot for that. Maybe it's the same prices at all of the IKEAs. Really like, I need everything. I need this, I need that, everything. Hey, look, I found baby. Stuffed toys are so cute. Look, another baby. Look at that. It's baby. Are those real plants? Oh, I think they're fake. Yeah, they're fake. They're beautiful though. Wait, is that the whole thing? It's telling me to go here, and then this is back to checkout. Cashier. Is that the whole thing? That is so weird. Wait, is this the whole thing? That is so strange. Oh my god, that's so weird. Yeah, it's much smaller than in Canada. Yeah, that was underwhelming. Very high tech. Yeah, try to do it myself. Put the cup with the coin. I don't have a coin. Just the button. I think I have to go get a coin somewhere else. Maybe here. Oh, they have pancakes too. Soup. These guys come for like a little snack for something different. They have candy deals as well. How do I get a coin for the ice cream? Do I pay here? The strawberry lychee? This one. Yeah. Pay here. Thank you very much. Okay, so I got my ice cream coin. So back to the machine. Oh, and a cup. You have to get your cup. So, oh my god, I want to take a video of her food. I missed the opportunity. Okay, so you get your cup and your coin, and then this is 80 cents Canadian or maybe 60 cents USD. The cup first. Cup in. Okay, cup is in. Put the coin in, and then push the button. Push the button. Ooh, and then she goes to work for you. Nice. Ooh, I like that. Very nice. Ooh, nice. Perfect. Beautiful. Lovely. Delicious. Divine. Matches my shoes. choose. It smells like lychee. This is good. It almost reminds me of like a rose flavor with the combination of the strawberry and the lychee. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit melty, but I like it. I'm a fan. I don't like the stick, but hey. Yeah. That's fun. Bumping. Busy here. I'm shocked. I kind of want to buy these candles on the pink theme because there's always like power outages in Bali. I just want to check the price on them, and then also I think I want to get baby a little stuffed toy. I feel like a tiger would be appropriate for him. Technically this is a tiger, but I feel like baby might like this one more. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this for baby. How much this is?
Oh,
yeah, thank you very much.
49,900 rupiah.
Okay, can I get both of these?
And this one, you want to check the price first?
Sure, I think I know it.
Yeah.
It's for my cat.
9,900.
Okay, I will take it.
Take two.
Yes, it's so cute. IKEA has the Balinese outfits.
Yeah.
I love it. Very cute.
Like this one. This one.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
beautiful.
Pretty.
I love those. They're so nice.
In our regulation for the Bali government, this only Thursday.
Only Thursdays you wear those ones.
Yeah.
And then what do you wear other day?
Like the
Regular
yeah,
clothes?
regular.
Oh my gosh, so I got lucky. Very nice, beautiful.
Yeah.
And that's
Maybe
the
you
regular.
Can, yeah.
How do you call this? What's it called?
Kabaya.
Kabaya.
Yeah, kabaya.
Ah,
You
so
can-
beautiful.
If you go to like the Krishna or the Bali, they're gonna use this one.
Ah, very nice. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Maybe so they don't think I stole. Thank you. Bye. Isn't it so cute? Bye. Thank you. Bye. Lucky to see their traditional Balinese meets IKEA outfit. I love it. And then I would consider this a success. I just bought one ice cream, these candles, and a toy for baby. And the candles may be a necessity because the power freaking goes out all the time here in Bali. So, you know, never know what's gonna happen. This is so cute. You know what I just realized? You can actually get the ice cream out here as well. I already ate inside. I had the strawberry lychee. Thank you. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I would have gotten that. Oh no. I might have to come back another day. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Hey, well, if you want a little snacky in Bali, you can always come to IKEA. I feel like I just went to like an amusement park. I hope baby likes his little toy. Baby approves of his little toy. He's a little upset that I went away and left him. Sweetie. Hi, sweetie. I got you this, my love. Look at the toy. Hi, baby. Do you like it? Sweet pea. Oh. Let's try this. It smells nice. It smells like light flowers. I can't remember. Gardenia, maybe? It's a pretty pink color. Oh, don't do that. It smells like burnt hair. Don't do that. Oh. Okay. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Go to like, share, and subscribe, and join us on the next adventure. Who knows where it will take us. Rawr.